Bring balance to your daily life with Dr. Trust USA Precision Bathroom Scale. With a measuring capacity of 180 kilograms, this digital scale has the sophistication and reliability to make your weight monitoring and weight loss goals a reality. The scale has a strong and durable tempered glass platform to safely withstand weight and extended use over time. The scale is large in size to accommodate feet of all sizes and comes with a long-lasting replaceable battery. The digital display is clear and easy to read. Perfect for any home, the sleek and reflective black glass and its premium aluminium finish gives a modern touch to any type of interior decor. Developed with American technology, the scale is engineered with our patented ACCU-GAUGE technology sensors for precision calibrations and accurate weight measurements every time. For your safety, the platform includes anti-skid padding so that the scale remains stable when you step on, no matter what kind of flooring you have. Calibration is easy with our Insta-Step technology. Place the scales face up on a hard, flat surface and step on and off to initialize the calibration process. You'll need to do this if you move the scales too. When the initial display disappears, step onto the scales and stand still. When an accurate weight measurement has been taken, the display will remain steady. You can choose to measure your weight in kilograms, pounds, or stones by rotating through the settings using the button located underneath the scales. The unit will display LO when the battery is low, or OL if overloaded above 180 kilograms. When OL is displayed, it's recommended to remove the weight immediately to protect the sensors. The Dr. Trust personal scales also has an automatic power off feature and will turn off after 10 seconds. Keep track of your weight easily with your Dr. Trust USA Precision Personal Weighing Scale.
Dr. Trust. Trusted for life.